If you want to check how much time you spend in different apps on iPhone 17, what you can do is go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down in order to find screen time. And then over here we have the daily average over here. Once you have, of course, the activity enabled, the app and website activity. So if it's not enabled, you will need to enable it over here in limit usage. And then you should be able to, for example, go to all app activity, app and website. And here we can see the list of apps and how much time you have spent in these apps. For example, here we can check for even specific days of the week. You can also go back to previous days in case you need to. And that's pretty much it. We can also tap on more over here and show more in order to look for more data. We can also see pickups over here and notifications as well if you scroll down. You can also tap on devices over here in the upper right corner in order to choose a specific device, for example. And we can switch from day to week as well. So if you want to have like a weekly summary, then you can do that in here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.